Welcome to this short video where we'll talk about how you go about choosing courses for your first year in the Bachelor of Engineering Honours dual degrees at the University of Queensland. In the previous video, we talked about the 8 units or 4 courses of core courses that every engineering student at UQ studies. The first of these is Eng 1100 Professional Engineering. This is offered in both semesters, but we do encourage you to try and enrol in semester 1. But if the course has reached capacity, you can study it in semester 2. You'll then do a programming course, either Eng 1001 or CSSE 1001, and we'll talk in a moment about how you go about choosing between those two options. You'll then complete maths courses, Math 1051 or Math 1071, where we cover calculus and linear algebra, and either Math 1052 or Math 1072, where we cover multivariate calculus and ordinary differential equations. So when it comes to our programming courses, we have 2 choices. Both teach programming and both teach programming using Python, and they share substantial resources. The courses are considered equivalent and you can really choose either. But if you're trying to make your mind up, Eng 1001 teaches programming in an engineering modelling context. So it's recommended if you're intending to continue into civil, chemical or mechanical engineering, or if you're in flexible first year. CSSE 1001 teaches programming in a computing context. It's recommended if you are intending to continue into either electrical or software engineering. Now, there's one specialisation we haven't spoken about, and that's mechatronic engineering. If you're interested in mechatronic engineering, you can choose either of these 2 options, so pick one that interests you the most. You will complete some specialisation courses in first year, and you'll need to complete at least one of either Eng 1300 Introduction to Electrical Systems, Eng 1500 Thermodynamics, Energy and the Environment, and Eng 1700 Statics and Materials. All these courses are offered in both semester 1 and semester 2. We'll talk a little bit more in a follow-up video about how you go about choosing between these options. Now, if you need to pick up specialist maths, you might need to complete Math 1050, and we'll talk about how to go about selecting maths courses in a follow-up video. And if you didn't complete high school physics, you might need to pick up Phys 1171. And if you didn't complete high school chemistry and you're going to complete chemical or mechanical engineering, or you're interested in the environmental engineering major or the biomedical engineering major, then you might want to consider completing Chem 1090, Introduction to Chemistry, in your first semester. Now, if you think back to the previous video, we noted that there are no general electives in dual degrees. So if you do need to complete specialist maths, or you need to pick up a high school physics or high school chemistry in a dual degree program, it's really important for you to realise that you may need, in most cases but not all, to complete additional courses. It's critical as a dual degree student that you do attend an academic advising session to make good choices in your first semesters. So in the next video, we're going to help you go about choosing which maths courses you need to start with in your engineering journey at UQ.